Hello travelers, how are you? In this series of exploring Asia, get ready to be amazed with the fact of one of the beautiful country of Asia, Hong Kong. Let's know its detailed facts. 10 interesting facts about Hong Kong. Hong Kong, or simply HK, is located on China's south coast and is enclosed by the Pearl River Delta and the South China Sea. Hong Kong is renowned worldwide for its jungle of glasses and stones and deep nature harbor. With a landmass of 1104 square kilometer, 426 square mile, on which 7 million people stay, Hong Kong is the world's most densely populated city. Now let's discuss its 10 interesting facts. Fact number 1. The name Hong Kong is Cantonese for Fragrance Harbor. Fact number 2. The Hong Kong Special Administrative Region consists of Hong Kong Island, Honolulu, the New Territories and several other similar islands. Fact number 3. The Hong Kong Peak team became the first rail team in Asia in 1888. About 11,000 people ride the tram every day, translating into 4 million people annually. Fact number 4. The main language officially spoken in Hong Kong are Chinese, Cantonese and English. Fact number 5. Unlike what many people think, about 3/4 of Hong Kong landmass is rural. It consists of 24 parks, woodland, reservoirs, hills and a coastal line. These beautiful parks are easily accessible from the city. Fact number 6. Hong Kong is one of the richest cities in the world. It has more Rolls-Royce per person than any other city in the world. Fact number 7. Did you know that the father of fiber optics, the glass cables that have so significant charges how we communicate, is called Professor Charles Kao from Hong Kong. The professor is also a winner of Physics Nobel Prize in 2009. Fact number 8. HK has more skyscrapers than any other city in the world. A skyscraper is any building with more than 14 stories. It has twice as many as its nearest rival, the New York City. Fact number 9. Poncho, Chinese New Year dish that has 10 different ingredients that are served in one pot, is the most popular dish in HK restaurants. Fact number 10. Since the Opium War of 1842 to July 1st, 1997, Hong Kong was under British rule. Today it is a special administrative region of China. Hong Kong is a city of many firsts. Feel free to add to this list. As for those who want to travel to the city, you have just added one of the greatest experiences in your holiday kits. The city will not only inspire to achieve greatness but also help you to relax and unwind. With that fact, that's it for today guys. But if you love traveling and if you want to explore more countries and if you want other countries detailed fact, then subscribe to this channel and like and share Travel with me in videos. Catch you guys in the next one. That's it for now. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.